Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm filming today in the garage because I was going to film inside the kitchen, but they told me to get out because they wanted to have breakfast. Anyway, so I thought I'll come in the garage as no one's in the garage and then eat my pineapple pie that was purchased from Edmonton Norm Island shop. And today is water. Because this is going to be too sweet, I'll have to have some water. You know, sometimes when you take a big, gulp of your water, like you take a long drink, doesn't it feel like you're drowning? It's like you're going to drown. It's meant to save you. But anyway, look at that, guys. Beautiful. So here I go. I already said my prayer before I turned on the camera because, we got to thank the good Lord. Thank God always. Like I said before. Anyway, today, guys, is about the pie. Miss Catalina had asked to make a pie mukbang, so that's what I'm doing today. Guess what? I done a mukbang the other day, like about 2 or 3 days ago, and I did a mukbang of the pie, right? And a sea dog. And then when my daughter went to edit, it wouldn't edit. I done a mukbang about 2 days ago, and it was like this pie, right, and the sea dog. Yes, I made it all, ate it all, and filmed it. But when my daughter went to edit, yeah, anyway, how's everyone been? I only cut like half of the tray because I'm thinking that I can't eat it, but it tastes so nice, eh? Yeah, so Miss Catalina asked if I can make them, can I do a mukbang on the pie? So here we go, Miss Catalina. The other day I was watching Vinny vlogs. Vinny, he lives up in Brisbane, and he made a pineapple pie in a tray. So guys, if you guys want to learn how to make that pineapple pie in a tray, and then make it one day to take to a kuangai and walk in so proudly with it, well, go to Vinny's vlog, Vinny, V-E-N-I vlogs. Yeah, he made one. I was so excited he made it. Because I've made it before just by, listening how my auntie was telling me how to make it. It was all right, but it wasn't like up to scratch. But my kids thought it was alright, especially my older daughter. She thought it was really nice. That's me to her. Yeah. And there's also a channel that I've just started watching. It's Cook Island people. Cook Island. They're siblings. And it's Is That Us? Is That Us? Yeah, it's a brother and his 2 sisters. So he's the older one, and then he's got his younger sisters. And I tell you what, guys, they are such crack-ups. I watched it one time. I was like, I couldn't stop laughing. And my mum would say, "What are you laughing for?" Like sort of tears were coming on the side of my eyes, and I was going, "Oh, it's these local guys," trying to explain to her, but I couldn't stop laughing. So she started laughing too, but she doesn't even know what I'm laughing about. But anyway, it was just that I was laughing that much and made her laugh. This pie is quite good. Oh, how can I eat not share? You guys say? Yeah. Open up. I love the spoon. It just gets everything done quickly. I should have ate it from the tray, but then it would have looked like, B-A-U, yeah. I went to the market today, you know, I was buying all these food, and I was just about to dig into this chicken stick. Woo! Now I remember that I haven't done my mukbang. And you know when you do your mukbang and you're partly full, you don't eat properly. No. So good. Well, I was watching last night, Tom and Nicole. They were doing this, I don't know, ASMR or something. I don't know how to say it. How you have to eat quietly, and all you hear is the crunch, crunch, crunch of their food. Anyway, I was watching, and I could tell that Nicole was dying to talk, but then she did talk. But I was thinking, oh, talk please. I miss your fella's jokes and stuff like that. I can't see myself doing that one because I talk too much, you know. And not only that, you know, I breathe hard like I'm asthmatic. So when I'm eating, you probably can hear my breathing more than what I'm eating. You know what I got? This is poke. What kind of poke? See, there's only 3 pieces left and my daughter got the other. And you know why I put it in here? Just in case I finish my mukbang, go inside the kitchen and there's all gone. Then I'll be doing the mukbang crying by myself because it's all gone, you know? Oh, the other day when I done my mukbang, what was it? I can't remember what it is now. Anyway, guys, listen. Sometimes I have these blonde moments, like I can't remember what I was thinking to say. So, yeah. Oh yeah, it was about my hungry. And I went to slice the chicken, and I said, oh, that's where the flavour is or something. And I was thinking, oh, is anyone going to pick it up? And then someone did. I forgot who it was, but it was a cracker. Oh yeah, it's just yeah. See, there we go. No, this person made me crack up because he brought it up and I said, did you think anyone noticed? Sorry for my blonde moments, guys. Why do they call it blonde moments? Black hair moments and brown hair moments do it too. Like, have a lot of boo-boos when they're talking and get things wrong. Well, I'm the darker version of that one. Look at this. They have pineapple. We're making myself. Okay. Fire. Oh. Yeah. Qua sour killalea fala. But in Samoan, the Cook Island, the pineapple there, when it's all yellow, oh, it's so sweet. So sweet. It's so sweet that you can like eat the core. Hey, I've done it. My uncle grew some, and then he brought some over. You know, when you get to Samoa, you have the family that come and nasi, you know, say hello. Some of them, they just can't wait to see you, and then you get some that come over, and then they sort of like waiting for some money. But then, you know, when you think about it, you haven't seen it for a long time, so why not? They give them a bit of pocket money, because all you're going to go do is splash it out there, give it to some of your family members, then they can go and buy them some food for their dinner. Alright, that's my thought of it. Okay, anyway guys, I want to tell you something. And I've been really, really, really happy. Okay, listen. Oh, shivers. Did you see that? Listen, there's quite a lot of, you know, Polynesian people doing their YouTube channels. And guys, that is so great. That is so great. Get your camera out. It doesn't matter what you're doing. Oh, no hanky-panky stuff. But if you're eating your food or you're, you know, walking around and you know it's going to be an interesting day, please film it. Film it and open your channel if you don't have one already. Do a YouTube. You know what? I tell you what. This is going to be like Polynesian episodes for us to go and watch each other's channels, you know. And it's going to be like episodes, you know. Like you wait for the next vlog to come along or next mukbang or whatever. Because it's like episodes. And I hardly watch TV anymore. Unless I want to know what's going on in the news. But hey, I go on Facebook for that. Oh yeah, about the Facebook thing. There's a page that I want you guys to check. You know, please, and join. And it's called Polyfoods Live. Okay, and the owners of that Facebook. They live in Australia, wink wink, but anyway, their page is Polyfoods Live. So this page, right, just put Facebook page, you can go there, any food you took and that you want to show, not only put it on your page, go on to Polyfoods Live and put it in there, say hello to me, because I often put up pictures of food that I make or food that I buy and eat, and I just put it up there. I was on there the other day and I put my food up, and someone said, you know, I had taken a picture of my food I had on the day, and someone said, I just finished watching your channel, your video. I got excited. I was thinking, I didn't know that someone on that page knew me for having a channel, because on Facebook, I don't really mention that I have, you know, because I just don't, because I don't know why, but I just go on my YouTube and I mention it, but not on my Facebook really. But I do add other people on. I just put their YouTube on just to help them get views and stuff like that, because why not? You have to support, eh? You know what? You know what? I could have eaten that whole pie. Okay. Look at this. Oh, and about the Tinania family that I mentioned before, they just started, right? But they're very interesting to watch. So stop by there and watch their channel, because they're going to be bringing a whole lot of stuff that you guys will be interested to watch. No, we're not bad. I should have just put the whole tray out here either. Waliana. You know what? Quay biết mày rồi mà để poke ye. Yeah. Quay cũng phơi ya. This is banana and arrowroot. Oh yeah. Nice. That's banana poke. Banana poke. I've got some ramen donuts as well. When I see island food, Polynesian food, I like to buy so much. This is a nice sunny day outside. Anyway, I'm just thinking, I should have had that. This is just the outside of the crust. So it's like a biscuit base. It's really nice. Alright. Well, I don't know who made this pie, but it's in Norm's Island shop in Edmonton. And whoever made this, 2 thumbs up, guys. Yeah, so don't forget to go to Benny's vlogs and look up how he made the pies and look up his other, oh, the car just went past. And look up his other videos. This book is quite nice, eh? Oh, anyway, guys, like I was saying, excuse me, the water, I went to drink and the water starts splashing. You know the videos you guys are putting up, they're so good to watch. I have so much fun watching, you know. It's like you guys are extended family, you know. So I'm watching and I'm cracking up and stuff like that. And then I have to, you know, when the phone rings and I think, damn it, now I have to answer the phone. And I go, hello. And that'll be my daughter Sharon. And I go, yes, I'm watching something. She goes, oh, not your vlogs again. I go, yes. I can't help it, guys. I just love it. I just enjoy it. Now I'm so proud of it. Every one of you guys is putting your stuff out there. You know, your material and your contents. I'm so happy. I'm so proud of you. You know, that's why we gotta watch, uplift, and support one another. Sometimes I see, you know, like people say, you know, some bad stuff, or not that major bad. Geez, I'm a dramatic person. But you know, the little digs and the little comments, I just think, oh, not on mine. Mine is not too bad. So don't start. Don't start. I mean it. Yeah, but I've seen, and I think, oh. And then I've had some like the total of 4 thumbs down or something. Anyway, to that person that's thumbing people down, and I hope you're not Polynesian, because that'll be bad. It's like a cousin thumbing down another cousin. If you don't like, you know, what we're doing our best, guys. We're doing our best just for your entertainment. You guys are doing it for our entertainment, and that's all we want. We just want to support one another, okay? Se alofa, amona fa pena, so ma fai mai ma ko le ka ma fai a ko fai me ko maka mai ai, ma ko fia mai ai, ma ko we mai ai. Hey, amona fa pena se vai loa. Se fai ka ko me. Ma ngai o ke la ko ha. Man, I've been eating this stuff since I was a little kid. You know, I used to love, you know, when I was a little kid, right? Like, in my teens, I used to love hanging. I think, when I grow up, I want to marry me a Maori. So I can have heaps of honey, and then I'm enjoying the Cook Island food, and I think, you know what? I want to marry me a Cook Islander because I love the Cook Island food. The way I think. Anyway, the Samoan. I'm already a Samoan. I don't need to marry a Samoan to eat my own culture food. So I married me a Lalagonga. Yep, and he showed me how to do the mayonnaise from scratch, and how to do the mayo, you know, like with the egg yolk and vinegar and stuff like that. Yep. And guess who had to beat it up? Me. I don't know if he was, if he liked me or what. If he liked me, I should have held the bowl and he beat it. I would have beat it, Everyone else that's got material that they want to put up, I know you guys can do it. Because I tell you what, us poly people, we are funny when we want to be. Hey, put out your content, please. Put it out there, and I'll kind of subscribe and buy, because we are poly people and we can do it. Okay? But anyway, we're speech for the day. You guys take care. Please, please, please put up new videos, whatever. I'm so proud of you guys. All the things that you guys are doing, I'm so proud. I'm telling you, because I enjoy watching. That's why. Yeah, Vaiko kids, do some food, do some more filming, and I'll see you guys, okay? And say hello. Well, okay? Don't forget, don't be mean to our vlogs. We're trying our best for you guys. Fast and forth.